Length of a longest common subsequence between the text 1 and a text 2. So let's do this. First you have to write in end equals to text 1 dot size. This will store the size, and in m equals to text 2 dot size. Okay, and create a 2D vector of dp vector comma, which is starting n plus 1 comma vector of int m plus 1 comma 0, and then you have to write for int I equals to 1, I less than equals to m, and then I plus plus, and then you have to check for int j equals to 1 comma j equals to m. For I it is n, and then j plus plus. You have to check if text 1 of I minus 1 is equals to text 2 of j minus 1. Then you just have to do dp of I comma j is equals to 1 plus dp of I minus 1 comma j minus 1. Else if it is not, then you have to do dp of I comma j is equals to maximum of dp of I minus 1 comma j comma dp of I comma j minus 1. And after all this you just have to return dp of n comma m. Let's run this code. Sorry, you have to write n. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.